Like, comment, subscribe. The Axolotl ambystoma mexicanum is a unique species of salamander with fascinating features. Habitat: originally found in Lake Xochimilco and Lake Caucon near Mexico City. These lakes are high-altitude, cool water environments. Appearance: axolotls have distinctive external gills that look like feathery frills on either side of their heads, which they use for breathing underwater. Their coloration can vary widely, from natural dark brown or black to white, gold, and pink albino varieties. Size: axolotls grow to about 6 to 12 inches 15 to 30 centimeters in length. Neoteny: unlike most salamanders, axolotls retain their juvenile features like external gills throughout their lives. They do not go through metamorphosis to develop lungs and live on land, remaining aquatic. Regeneration: one of the axolotl's most impressive abilities is its capacity to regenerate complex body parts. They can regrow entire limbs, parts of the spinal cord, heart, and even parts of their brain without scarring. Diet: in the wild, axolotls are carnivorous, eating small fish, worms, insects, and mollusks. In captivity, they are usually fed brine shrimp, bloodworms, and specially formulated pellets. Lifespan: with proper care, axolotls can live for 10 to 15 years in captivity, though their lifespan in the wild may vary. Endangered: axolotls are critically endangered in the wild due to habitat loss, pollution, and invasive species in their native habitat. Conservation efforts are ongoing, with some focusing on habitat restoration and captive breeding. Scientific research: axolotls are a major focus in scientific research because of their regenerative abilities, which offer insights into potential human applications in regenerative medicine. Cultural significance: in Aztec mythology, the axolotl is associated with the god Xolotl, who transformed into the creature to avoid being sacrificed. These characteristics make axolotls a subject of intrigue for scientists and pet enthusiasts alike. The mimic octopus Thaumoctopus mimicus is an extraordinary marine animal famous for its ability to impersonate other sea creatures. Native to the shallow, murky waters of Indonesia and Southeast Asia, it uses its mimicry to evade predators and blend in with its environment. Size: typically grows up to about 2 feet 60 centimeters in length, including its arms. Appearance: brown and white bands or stripes across its body help it resemble various animals and adapt to the coloration of its surroundings. Mimicry: the mimic octopus is unique in its ability to imitate a wide range of marine animals by changing its color, shape, and movement. This allows it to avoid predators and deceive prey. Known creatures it mimics include: lionfish extends its arms out in a way that resembles a lionfish's venomous spines, warding off potential threats. Sea snake tucks 6 of its arms into a burrow, leaving 2 striped arms sticking out and wriggling like a venomous sea snake. Flatfish flattens its body and glides along the ocean floor to imitate a poisonous flatfish. Camouflage: besides mimicry, the mimic octopus also uses regular camouflage like other octopuses, blending into the ocean floor to avoid detection. Diet: feeds primarily on small crustaceans, fish, and worms. Hunting strategy: the mimic octopus not only uses mimicry for defense, but also to hunt prey. By posing as a less threatening creature or confusing prey, it can approach and capture food more easily. Habitat: location: found in sandy or silty seabeds in shallow waters near estuaries, where it can quickly burrow or mimic to avoid predators. Intelligence: like other octopuses, it is highly intelligent, capable of learning and problem-solving, which helps in adapting its mimicry to specific situations. The mimic octopus's remarkable ability to imitate other species makes it one of the most fascinating examples of adaptability and survival strategy in the animal kingdom. The snow leopard Panthera nchia is a majestic big cat known for its elusive nature and adaptation to the cold, mountainous regions of Central and South Asia. This ghost of the mountains is both beautiful and mysterious, with several unique traits that enable it to survive in harsh environments. Size: snow leopards are medium-sized for big cats, measuring 3 to 4.5 feet in body length with an additional 3-foot-long tail. They weigh between 60 and 120 pounds. Fur: their thick, smoky gray coat with rosettes and spots provides excellent camouflage in rocky terrain, and a dense undercoat helps them stay warm in extreme cold. Tail: they have long, bushy tails that aid in balance and can wrap around their bodies like a blanket to protect against the cold. Habitat, range. Snow leopards inhabit the rugged mountains of 12 countries, including China, Mongolia, Nepal, India, and Bhutan. Altitude. They are found at altitudes between 9,800 to 17,000 feet, typically in steep, rocky terrain, where they can stealthily hunt and evade threats. Powerful hind legs. Snow leopards can leap up to 50 feet in a single bound, thanks to their strong hind legs, which helps them navigate the rough terrain and ambush prey. Silent stealth. Their padded paws are adapted for a quiet, efficient approach in the snow and prevent slipping on rocky ledges. Thick fur and large nostrils. The dense fur insulates them against the cold, while their large nasal cavities warm the thin, frigid mountain air. Diet. Snow leopards are carnivores and primarily hunt blue sheep burrell, Himalayan tahr, ibex, and other mountain animals. They occasionally hunt smaller animals and livestock. Hunting strategy. They are solitary hunters, using their camouflage and patience to ambush prey. Snow leopards may stalk their prey for long periods before making a sudden dash, often targeting animals 3 times their size. Conservation status. Vulnerable. Listed as vulnerable, by the IUCN, with an estimated population of fewer than 6,500 individuals. Their numbers are threatened by habitat loss, poaching, and conflicts with herders due to livestock predation. Interesting facts. Shy and elusive. Snow leopards are known as ghosts of the mountains because they are so difficult to spot in the wild. Solitary lifestyle. They are highly territorial and solitary, with only mothers and cubs typically seen together. Cultural significance. Revered in several Asian cultures, the snow leopard is often regarded as a symbol of strength and resilience. Snow leopards' ability to survive in such extreme environments and their grace in the wild make them one of the most admired and awe-inspiring animals on Earth. The pangolin is a unique and fascinating mammal known for its distinctive armor-like scales. Found across Asia and Africa, pangolins are the only mammals entirely covered in scales, which are made of keratin, the same material as human nails and hair. Unfortunately, they are also one of the most trafficked animals in the world due to the demand for their scales and meat. Size. Pangolins range in size from about 12 inches to over 4 feet, depending on the species. Scales. Their body is covered in hard, overlapping scales that provide protection from predators. When threatened, pangolins curl into a tight ball, with their scales acting as armor. Appearance. They have small heads, elongated snouts, and long, curved claws, adapted for digging and climbing. Species. There are 8 species of pangolins, 4 in Asia and 4 in Africa. The Asian species are generally larger and have hair between their scales, while African species do not. Habitat. Pangolins inhabit a variety of environments, including forests, savannas, and grasslands. They can be arboreal tree-dwelling or terrestrial ground-dwelling, depending on the species. Diet. Pangolins are insectivores, feeding primarily on ants and termites. Their long, sticky tongues, which can be longer than their bodies, allow them to reach insects deep within nests or mounds. Reproduction. Pangolins generally give birth to 1 offspring at a time. Newborn pangolins have soft scales that harden as they age. Mothers carry babies on their backs or tails while foraging. Lifespan. In the wild, they live around 10 to 15 years, though they can live longer in captivity if well cared for. Critically endangered. All pangolin species are at risk, with some classified as critically endangered by the IUCN due to poaching and habitat loss. Threats. Pangolins are heavily trafficked for their scales used in traditional medicine and meat. Conservation efforts include habitat protection, anti-poaching laws, and raising awareness. Self-defense. Besides curling into a ball, pangolins emit a foul-smelling substance from glands near the anus to deter predators. Nocturnal behavior. Most pangolins are nocturnal, using their excellent sense of smell to locate food at night. Ancient mammals. Pangolins belong to an ancient lineage, with fossil records dating back over 40 million years. Despite their incredible adaptations, pangolins face severe threats. Efforts to save these animals are ongoing, as their loss would mean the extinction of a truly one-of-a-kind creature. The honey badger Mellivora caupensis, also known as the radel, is a small but exceptionally tough mammal renowned for its fearless attitude. Despite its size, it has a reputation for being one of the most fearless animals in the world. Size. Honey badgers are about 2.5 feet long and weigh between 20 to 35 pounds. Appearance: they have a stocky, muscular build with short legs, strong claws, and a distinct black and white coloration, black bodies with a white or grayish cape running from their head to tail. Skin: they have incredibly thick, loose skin, which not only protects them from bites and stings, but also allows them to twist and turn to escape predators even if they're grabbed. Location: honey badgers are native to parts of Africa, the Middle East, and South Asia. Habitat: they are highly adaptable and can be found in a range of environments, from dense forests and grasslands to arid deserts and mountainous areas. Fearlessness: honey badgers have a high tolerance for pain and are known to attack animals much larger than themselves, including lions and hyenas. They often emerge victorious or manage to escape. Intelligence and problem solving: honey badgers are known for their intelligence, using tools to escape enclosures and solve complex challenges. Thick skin and resilience to venom: their skin protects them from predators and sharp objects. They can also survive bites from venomous snakes and often hunt dangerous prey, like cobras. If bitten, they might pass out temporarily, but they usually recover within a few hours and continue hunting. Diet: honey badgers are omnivores and have a highly varied diet, including rodents, birds, reptiles, insects, fruits, and, of course, honey. They use their sharp claws to dig into beehives for honey, hence their name. Hunting: they are opportunistic hunters with strong jaws that can crush bones, and they dig into burrows to catch prey hidden underground. Honey badgers often team up with honey guide birds, which lead them to beehives. Solitary and territorial: honey badgers are mostly solitary and establish territories. They defend fiercely. Notorious reputation: honey badgers have a reputation for being relentless. If threatened, they can take on almost any animal, earning them the title of one of nature's most fearless creatures. Honey badgers are a prime example of how toughness and adaptability can outweigh size, making them fascinating creatures with few natural enemies in the wild. The harpy eagle, Harpia harpygia, is one of the largest and most powerful eagles in the world, native to the rainforest of Central and South America. With its impressive size, striking appearance, and formidable hunting skills, this bird is often regarded as the king of the jungle canopy. Size: harpy eagles are massive, with a wingspan of up to 7 feet 2 meters. Females, which are larger than males, can weigh up to 20 pounds, while males typically weigh around 10 to 14 pounds. Appearance: harpy eagles have slate black feathers on their back, a white underside, and distinctive black and white striped legs. One of their most notable features is a crown of feathers on their head that they raise when threatened or alert, giving them a regal look. Claws: they have the largest talons of any eagle species, with claws as long as grizzly bear claws. These talons are powerful enough to crush the bones of their prey. Location: harpy eagles inhabit tropical rainforests in countries like Brazil, Panama, Ecuador, and Venezuela. They prefer dense forest canopies where they can hunt in relative isolation. Altitude: they are usually found at lower elevations, up to about 3,000 feet, but can sometimes be seen in higher areas with dense forest cover. Incredible strength: harpy eagles are capable of lifting prey as heavy as monkeys and sloths, sometimes weighing nearly as much as themselves. Adapted to dense forests, with relatively short, broad wings, they're well adapted to maneuver through thick forests, making them highly skilled aerial hunters. Keen eyesight: like most birds of prey, harpy eagles have excellent vision, which allows them to spot prey from great distances. Diet: harpy eagles are carnivorous and primarily hunt medium-sized mammals such as sloths and monkeys, but they also eat birds, reptiles, and other small mammals. Hunting strategy: they are stealthy hunters, often perching high in the canopy and waiting for prey to pass by. Using their strong legs and talons, they swoop down on prey with deadly precision. Near threatened: harpy eagles are classified as near threatened by the IUCN, mainly due to deforestation and habitat loss in the Amazon and other rainforests. Some countries, like Panama, have conservation programs in place to protect these majestic birds. National symbol: the harpy eagle is the national bird of Panama, symbolizing strength and resilience. Slow reproduction: harpy eagles are monogamous and highly invested parents. They typically lay only one egg every 2 to 3 years, and both parents care for the chick for over a year. Mythological look: Their unique, regal appearance and large size have led to comparisons with mythological creatures, inspiring both awe and reverence in the regions where they live. The harpy eagle is an apex predator, embodying strength, beauty, and the richness of the rainforest ecosystem. Its conservation is critical to maintaining the biodiversity of its natural habitat. The red-lipped batfish Ogocephalus darwini is a fascinating and unusual species of batfish known for its striking appearance and unique adaptations. Found in the waters around the Galapagos Islands, this fish is a remarkable example of evolution and adaptation to its environment. Appearance: the red-lipped batfish is most notable for its vibrant red lips, which contrast sharply with its generally drab body color. It has a flattened, disc-like body that allows it to rest on the ocean floor. Size: adult red-lipped batfish typically reach lengths of about 8 to 12 inches 20 to 30 centimeters. Fins: it has modified pectoral fins that resemble arms, which it uses to walk along the seabed rather than swim. Location: red-lipped batfish are primarily found in the warm waters of the Galapagos Islands, particularly around rocky reefs and sandy bottoms. Depth: they usually inhabit depths ranging from 3 to 40 feet 1 to 12 meters. Diet: the red-lipped batfish primarily feeds on small invertebrates, such as crustaceans and mollusks, which it hunts using its exceptional camouflage. Feeding strategy: it uses its unique body shape and coloration to blend in with its surroundings, ambushing prey that comes too close. Walking: unlike many fish, red-lipped batfish prefer to walk on the ocean floor using their pectoral fins, which helps them navigate their environment and find food. Camouflage: their ability to blend into the ocean floor helps them avoid predators and increase their hunting success. Distinctive lip color: the bright red coloration of their lips is thought to play a role in attracting mates, although it may also serve as a warning to predators about their toxicity. The red-lipped batfish is a striking example of how species can adapt to their environments in unique ways, making it a favorite among marine biologists and underwater enthusiasts alike. Their unusual appearance and behavior highlight the incredible diversity of life in the oceans. Glass frogs are a fascinating group of amphibians known for their translucent skin, which allows their internal organs to be visible. These unique creatures belong to the family Centralinidae and are primarily found in Central and South America, particularly in tropical rainforests. Translucent skin: the most striking feature of glass frogs is their semi-transparent skin, especially on their bellies, which reveals their internal organs, including their heart and liver. This adaptation may help them camouflage by blending in with their surroundings. Size: glass frogs vary in size, but most species are small, typically ranging from 1 to 3 inches to 0.5 to 7.5 centimeters in length. Coloration: while their underbellies are transparent, their upper bodies can be green or yellow, providing excellent camouflage among leaves and foliage. Location: glass frogs inhabit tropical and subtropical regions of Central and South America, including countries like Costa Rica, Panama, Colombia, and Ecuador. Habitat: they are typically found in moist, humid environments, such as rainforests, near streams and rivers, where they lay their eggs. Nocturnal: glass frogs are primarily nocturnal, becoming active at night when they hunt for food and engage in mating rituals. Diet: their diet mainly consists of small invertebrates, such as insects, spiders, and other small arthropods. They use their long, sticky tongues to catch prey. Breeding habits: male glass frogs typically call to attract females during the breeding season. They often lay their eggs on the undersides of leaves overhanging water bodies. When the eggs hatch, the tadpoles drop into the water below. Camouflage: their unique coloration and transparency provide excellent camouflage against predators, making them difficult to spot in their natural habitat. Glass frogs are remarkable examples of evolutionary adaptation, showcasing nature's incredible diversity and ingenuity. Their striking appearance and ecological roles make them an important species for biodiversity and conservation efforts in their native habitats. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.